Hello YouTube. Today we're going to make an Argyle cup. If you don't know what that is, you'll find out. I do apologize for my background, but you do get to see my cute, adorable puppy. And, well, I can't afford a backdrop. So, I will put the video camera down and we'll get started. Okay, we're starting off with a pre-glittered cup, but just so you know, this is a 30-ounce skinny. I started off with a base coat of like a raspberry color that I made from bright white from Crystalac and some color pigments. And some glitter from Spittin' Llama in like a color shifting raspberry color that has that I applied with using the tack-it method. I didn't want to show all of that because, well, most everybody knows how to do that, and two, I didn't want this video to be extremely long. I also put a straight edge on here and created a line. That's, if you're wondering what that line is right there. I created a line with a Sharpie that was about the same color, but just enough where I could see it, because you definitely want to put this on with a straight edge. If you don't and it comes off crooked, you're going to have to start over, and you don't want to do that. I would suggest when you're cutting this, and I will put a link in the description on how to get it, you cut down right to the very edge. Use a vinyl cutter, something that's going to give you a straight edge. I wouldn't recommend freehand, simply because, you know, it's not straight. So I'm going to cut off a little bit here, following this line on here. Grid transfer paper actually is a very, very big help when it comes to lining up that line, because, like, again, you want to be straight. I got this transfer paper from 143 Vinyl along with the vinyl itself. I go there for pretty much all my vinyl because it's a hell of a price and it's a very good product. So, start off with, I'm going to make sure this is down really good. I might need to cut another piece of vinyl, but we're going to try to make it work. Stretched right there. So, we're going to have to see. Okay, first things first. Obviously this is the side. That's the wrong way. Make sure, and this is why I did that. If you look, you can see these diamonds right here. You can see the pattern that you want. You don't want to go sideways. You want to go like this, so they're up and down. Now, if you want to do it the other way, I mean, you do you, but I wouldn't recommend it. Okay, another thing you'll need, some good weeding tools. Okay, now that the alternate ones are off there, now we do a layer of epoxy. Now this one, you don't do anything on the bottom if you don't want to. I didn't. I am also not going to trim the top or the bottom because you don't really need to. If you have one that doesn't want to stick on the bottom, take a little bit of heat and warm it up and just lay it right down. It will wrap around the bottom, no problem. So after we get the epoxy, then we do the stripes. Okay, I realized when I finished striping and I went to check to see how everything recorded, I realized only the first part of the striping got recorded. So, but it all kind of works the same way. You just keep striping until you want to stop, basically. This is what I guess would be a traditional Argyle print. But you don't have to do these little lines in between there if you don't want to. It's kind of all up to you. But this is basically done. There's not much else to do with it other than a layer of epoxy. And if you want to use an edging tool to clean up the edge, if you want to space in between there, and your bottom. That's it. The rest of it is, you know, preference, as with most everything. So, I hope this helps. I hope you make one. It'd be cool if you tag me in a video or a picture or whatever of what you make, because I want to see. So I will see y'all next time. Bye.